What is up, YouTube? Gonna do a box break and show some mail. Gotta do box of tier 1. First off, I'll show some of the cards I got. I got some vintage basketball. I don't ever buy that, but they're just so clean. Don Nelson. Look at the crisp corners on that. Earl the Pearl. A little off center, but real clean. These are, what are these? 73 tops. Pat Riley. That one's actually really nice centered. League leaders from 73. Got Chamberlain, Thurman Munson, and Dave Cowens. This one is really cut bad, but Larry Brown rookie card. See the bad cut there. Then this beauty, Rick Barry rookie card. Sounds pretty nice. Then I just got some oddballs here. Sterling Marte, this is a jersey. Eloy, this one actually came in the mail. On card on 99. 17 Immaculate. Just a Kawhi. Thought this was a cool card. Tim Duncan. Got a Michael Porter Jr. rated rookie. D Wade with TJ Ford and Kirk Heinrich rookie. Got the Zion Crusade. Murray Stoudemire from 07 Stadium Club out of 50. Steve Nash's warm-up pants card. It's or warm-up jacket. Penny Hardaway. Let's see if that's yeah, game worn it says. That's nice. Got this Kyle Korver auto. CJ McCollum. Dino. This Ed Oliver. It's a base version, or I guess they're not numbered. Jalen Smith Prism, silver. Cool. Then I got this Randy. It's like one of the stand-up cards. I think Jaquez Green is on there and Kevin Dyson. Yeah, I forgot who the fourth guy is, but yeah, so let's rip into this. I don't know if I've ever opened a box of tier 1 before. So one of those hot rookies would be nice. How does this work? Which way? Okay. So here it is. One pack. We're feeling pretty thin, so I don't think we have a fat barrel or anything like that. I'm not sure how the display goes. What order? But first one we got Zach Wheeler. So that's Carter Kaboom. Aaron Nola. So that's a dud box in my opinion. So peace out, YouTube.